Hey folks, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to share a couple of trades that we actually made today in our Discord group. It was a really good day so far. I don't know if we will take any more trades. It's a little bit later in the afternoon. It's almost 3 o'clock. But anyway, most of you guys know that we trade MNQ. We do the opening range breakout, which is the 15-minute orb. And we actually traded on the 5-minute candle. So anyway, today's trade was pretty much normal trade that we usually do and wait. The only thing today, it just consolidated for a long time. But anyway, we marked the top of the 15-minute candle. So we had a top and then we marked the bottom as well, which created our orb. And so what we simply do is just wait from there. So anyway, we waited and waited and waited. Today, it just went on forever. We didn't think we were ever going to get a trade. So anyway, what we simply did was we just put an alert on the top side. We put an alert on the bottom. And the alert actually got triggered right here. And the interesting thing is that I know me in the past, and I know a lot of people would actually just jump in when we break the orb right here, especially on this candle, and they would get burnt right here. They would just, it reversed, and I just know most people would jump in right there. And so we have a very practical way that keeps you out of the trade. So anyway, we did not get in that trade right there. We waited. And then it kept on pulling back. It pulled back all the way up here to the 50 EMA. That's what we have right there. And then finally, I think there was news on tariffs, I believe it was, and it just dropped. And then it finally broke through it and it closed below the orb. But we did not take that trade because there again, we have a very practical way of letting us know if it's going to continue on to the downside, and we didn't get those signals letting us know that. And so again, it came back and it pulled all the way back up here. And this was kind of our signal in our mind when it rejected off the 9 EMA that we could get a potential push to the downside. And so we began to watch, and then it closed again down below the 15-minute orb. And so anyway, we actually took a small trade right here all the way down to this point right here, which was pre-market lows. And again, it wasn't a major trade. It was about 15, 20 points, nothing major on that part. And so anyway, it pulled back up again, and so anyway, we didn't know what it was going to do, but it pulled all the way back up to the 50 again, and it came down. Then it consolidated right above the pre-market lows. And so anyway, at that point, I was looking for a trade on the 30-minute candle, which was going to put us getting into a trade right here, which is 22,846. And so anyway, I had everything marked, waiting for this trade, and then we finally got confirmation that it was going down. We had volume picking up, and so I got into a trade right here, and everybody did in our Discord, I believe, and we took this trade all the way down to about right here, picking up about 20